We've been a family business for over 50 years, and we enjoy being here. We're RGB products and born and raised, and we're here ready to get after it.
I mean, Harlingen is at the very center of the valley. And we feel it's a reasonable drive to just about anywhere in the valley.
As Mott's Building Materials, we don't have the capacity in Cameron County to handle the growth that we see coming in this area.
Well, I was born and raised in Harlingen, went to school here, had the opportunity to leave. Matter of fact, we do have another office in San Antonio, but we chose to keep our main office here, and we call it the heart of the valley.
The location of Harlingen is really great because we're closer to Mexico, so a lot of our components do ship out.
The EDC has been a great partner with us. They give us information, resources, they give us partnerships with the local colleges as well as the high schools.
We as a supplier value our human resources. We know they're the reason we're here, and we see opportunity in Harlingen to do the same thing. And the EDC really went out of their way to make it easy for us to come here and make the decision.
Things are getting really kind of streamlined here for businesses entering this community.
The workers are just fantastic. We get great loyal employees here in Harlingen.
The whole entire valley is just nice people, you know? They mean well, they want the area to succeed and be noticed.
It's a hidden gem. The people here, the market here, the opportunity here is just something, you know, and I shouldn't be saying this out loud to people that may bring competition, but bottom line is, it is really a great place to be.
This is an exciting time for Harlingen because there are so many different opportunities.
I think you're going to see this growth rate just explode.
Yeah, I think we're just scratching the surface. We're just scratching the surface. The potential here in the area is going to be tremendous.